Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. In this series of the locomotor movements, which basically only means traveling steps, we're going to be going through some of the steps that we do a lot in belly dancing, but not just in belly dancing, in our day-to-day life, just like walking. And that's what this video will be all about. And also in other dances, such as ballroom, the Latin, social, all of these dances. But today it's all going to be about the walk, or this video is all going to be about the walk. And it does require some thoughts in the energy of a simple walk. And that's what we're going to be exercising in this video. So get into something comfortable and let's start walking. All right, let's get to it. It's going to be simple, but yet you're going to feel this exercise. You won't believe. And it helped me so much to be a better dancer, but now not only a better dancer, but also just walking every day makes it more efficient, easier. So we're going to go to our side. We're going to start here. Let's go into a proper posture. So I want you to just kind of expand your chest by breathing in. Hold the expansion, not the breath. You should have naturally kind of moved, the body should have moved like in front, a little bit more in front on the arch. And that's where your exact proper center balance should be. Okay? So it's not in the back and it's not like this. Okay? So let's do that at breathing again. It's going to be so important. So breathe in. Expand, breathe out, hold the expansion, not the breath. Okay? So you're naturally in your correct posture right here. So the weight should be more, your whole body should be more on the arch than on the heel. Now we're going to start by focusing on making our first step. What happens when you make your first step is that your body starts and then the foot follows. So it's not the foot going, okay? It's actually the body moving forward and then the rest of the body just follows. Now we're gonna go and start with the right foot, okay? So it'd be my outside leg, this one. So what's gonna happen is that I'm gonna move forward, but the weight's gonna go on the other foot and it's gonna push towards the floor and move me forward. Okay? So what happens is that we're not just walking insensitively, is that what I'm trying to say? But there's more to the walk than just a step. Okay? And that's the energies that is required to kind of create that first step. Okay? The energy comes from the opposite foot, first from here, and then the opposite foot to push you forward. Okay? So this foot is actually helping you to go forward. So we're going to do the exercise where we're going to just do this. I want you to feel your left foot pushing downward and then forward. Okay? So it's kind of rolling forward. So we're going to start from here. You move and this kind of just push. Okay? See how your left heel is up? And then let's just start over. We're just going to we'll do 5 of these. Okay? Same foot. So we go. 1. I want you to feel the back foot pushed you forward. And then bring it in. 2. Bring it in. 3. Bring it in. 4. Bring it in. 5. Good. So now we're going to do this again, but now I want you to focus on what's happening when you're stepping forward. Are you stepping ball heel or are you stepping heel ball? Okay, I'm going to go forward, push from the left foot, forward. So yes, you're rolling from the heel to the ball. So walking is a rolling action. Okay, just like a wheel. I'm going to do that again. Let's do 5 of these. So now you're going to not only focus on your back foot and your body, but also when you're making your step forward with your right foot. So we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now you should feel the same thing with your back foot, where when you're going forward, this back foot is kind of going from the heel, pressing towards the ball of your feet. Okay? Pressing. So it's really putting weight towards the ball of your feet so you can roll forward. Let's do the other side. We'll do the same thing. So we'll be doing 10 on this. Okay? So now your left foot goes forward, right foot rolls and on the ball of your foot pushes you forward. Okay? So we start from here. Let's go into proper stance. Breathe in. Hold the expansion, not the breath. See how naturally I move forward? I feel like my body just knew where to go. So it should be the same with you. So it's really focusing and being mindful with your body. What's going on with your body? Okay? So it's that connection that we are doing here today with the simple walk. So let's do that 10 times. We're going to go forward with the body, press your right foot, ball of your foot, and then heel ball forward and bring it in. It's a lot to think about, which you would have never thought just by simply walking. Okay, so let's do that again. Let's do 5 more. Really feel when you press it down against the back foot and then rolling forward with the heel ball in the front foot. Last one. Okay, so now let's bring our right foot forward. We'll do another exercise. Okay, so now it's the rolling that I want you to feel and the flex of the foot. So I want you to roll up from the back foot. See how the weight is now getting ready to be all on your front foot. And now we're going to roll back. So that's when you're walking back. So you're rolling from the ball of your heel back. And now I want you to flex up. Okay, we're just going to do that simple rolling forward and rolling back with a flex. Rolling forward and then rolling back with a flex. Rolling forward and rolling back. As you go forward, try to put the weight on the arch of the front foot, and then you're going to roll back and then put your weight on the arch. One more. Just want you to feel that rolling action on your feet, because that's what it is. We're rolling kind of peeling off from the floor and rolling. So let's do the same thing here. Press from the back foot, rolling to the ball of your foot, and all the way on the arch of your front foot, and then rolling back. Add a little flex, and rolling up, and rolling back. Rolling up to the front, and rolling back. Good, rolling up. And I want you to feel what's going on with your feet. Feel where the energy is going. And ball, rolling to the heel, and then flex, feel the calf. Connecting with your feet. Last one, and hold. Now we're ready to start the walk. Okay, so we'll start with the right foot. So we're just gonna do, I'm gonna move back. So we're just gonna do 4 simple steps, and then we're gonna go back. Start with the right. Okay, so did you start moving forward, pushing here? Okay. Hold it here, push from the back, finish, rolling forward. Now you're gonna bring that foot in, and then it's just gonna swing towards the front. And then this is gonna roll you forward. Good. And then swing. So your body is already kind of forward. Still, it's going forward. And the leg kind of just swings and starts, and then the back foot's gonna roll you forward. Okay, so the body's already there, already forward, and now the foot just kind of follows through, swing. Now the back foot just kind of rolls you forward. Good, let's do that the other side. Nice and slow. So I'm gonna just start, initiate from the body. Okay, push the opposite foot forward. As you're going forward, you're gonna push, roll, and then bring it in, swing, roll, swing the foot forward, roll from the back, press. Good. So the goal is to feel that rolling and going forward. Now we're going to go forward and then backward. Okay, so start from here. So let's say you start with your right foot. You're going to press from the left foot. Start, press. Good. And then bring it in, swing. Swing, roll. Press on the back foot, swing, roll. Okay, now we're gonna go backward, nice and slow. So now it's gonna be the opposite. See? So now you're gonna let's bring our right foot back. Okay, so now you're gonna roll from the ball to the heel, but you're pressing from the front foot. Okay, so once you feel that pressing from the front foot, and it helps you to roll back. Okay, so then you're gonna go here. This, you kind of press against the ball of your foot, push them back, and then you roll on that heel. So it's ball, heel, you're rolling ball, heel. And again, so you're pressing from the opposite side. So in order to go back, you're gonna have to press from the front of the foot going back. Okay, let's do this 4 times to the front, 4 times going back. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, going back from the front foot, press, 1, whoops, 2, going too slow, 3, 4. And again, so let me press, go a little bit more to this so you can see, and 1, 2, 3, 4, pressing from the front foot, push back, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go towards you. Lots to think about just for a simple walk, let's say, but it's such a good exercise and you really get connected with your feet, get grounded. So let's start from left foot, going right foot forward and press. 1, 2, 3, 4, then back from the front foot. I want you to see this. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Do that again. And really focusing, pressing from the back towards the front. Body naturally goes forward. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now a little bit faster. And we'll start with the right foot. we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So focus on the rolling action. Do it every day when you're walking. Okay, and make sure you're in your proper posture, and the puppeteer, making sure that when you're expanding, this would also help because this will help you with the swing of the foot. Okay, so then you're not compressed. Rolling and always kind of keeping this upward, so then you got a lot more space right here to kind of swing the feet. And again, it's just going to make your walk when you're pressing from the back to the front more efficient, more light, even faster. So enjoy this, exercise it every day, and it'll make you a better dancer, but not a better dancer, but it's just going to correct your posture and just create, even prevent like hip problems and all of the injuries and things that happens when you get older. Okay, so it's a great preventive if you do this every day. So happy dancing and happy walking.